Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Namaste. Today we shall learn to chant the first shloka of the Lalita Pancharatnam. First, let us learn it word by word. Pratah smarami Lalita Vadanarvindam Bimbadharam Prithula Mauktika Shobhinasam Akarna Dirghanayanam Manikundaladhyam Mandasmitam Mriga Madojjvala Phaladesham. Now let us learn to chant it. Pratasmarami Lalita Vadanarvindam Bimbadharam Prithula Mauktika Shobhinasam Akarna Dirghanayanam Manikundaladhyam Mandasmitam Mrigamadojjvala Phaladesham. Now, let us see the meaning of this verse. Pratasmarami Lalita Vadanarvindam. This shloka, Lalita Pancharatnam, must be chanted in the morning. So the first words themselves are Pratasmarami. I meditate in the morning. Lalita Vadanarvindam. The beautiful lotus-like face of Lalita Devi. When we focus on the face of Lalita Devi, what do we see? Bimbadharam Prithula Mauktika Shobhinasam. Adharam means lips. Bimba refers to the red-colored Kovaiparam, as we call it in Tamil. That red-colored fruit can be compared to her beautiful red lips. Prithula Mauktika Shobhinasam. Her nose is shining with a nose stud that is adorned with a large pearl. Akarna Dirghanayanam Manikundaladhyam. Akarna, up to her ears. Dirghanayanam, her eyes extend. She has long, beautiful eyes that extend up to her ears. Manikundaladhyam, her ears are glowing with a beautiful kundala or earring studded with pearls. Mandasmitam Mriga Madojjvala Phaladesham. Her beautiful red-colored lips are glowing with a gentle, beautiful smile, and her forehead is shining as it is adorned with the Kasturi Tilakam. Let us bring to mind the beautiful lotus-like face of Lalita Devi as the first thing that we think of in the morning.